Good morning, everyone. So recently, as we all know, the Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman has launched the Union Budget 2022. So as a student of environmental journalism, we'll be making a video presentation based on this topic. So first of all, what exactly is the budget? So budget is the estimation of revenue and finances over a specific period of time, and it is re-evaluated on orderly basis or periodic basis. It can be made for a person, group of organization, government, or anything which revolves around money. So as a student of environmental journalism, we will be focusing more on environment aspect of the Union Budget. So let's find out what this Union Budget of 2022 has for our environment.
Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman unveiled the Union Budget 2022 to 2023 on February 1, 2022. It has been given the nickname Booster Budget owing to its efforts to strengthen business activity and infrastructure development. Climate action was highlighted as one of the pillars underpinning the budget, along with the Prime Minister Gati Shakti Infrastructure Master Plan, inclusive development and energy transition. The minister made plenty of references to clean energy and mentioned we need mindful utilization rather than mindless consumption. As a country simultaneously vulnerable to climate change and under pressure to uplift 134 million people from poverty, India's Union Budget 2022-23 should ideally reflect government spending that expands the social safety net and plans for low-carbon, climate-resilient development. The Overseas Development Institute estimates that India could lose 3 to 10% of its gross domestic product annually by 2100 due to climate change.
India has set 3 goals on paper that have been submitted to the United Nations Framework Convention on Climate Change in the form of nationally determined contribution. They include the goal to reduce the emissions intensity of its economy, to increase the non-fossil fuel-based component of electric power, and to expand the carbon sink from forest and tree cover. Further, verbal commitment was made at the 26th Conference of Parties to the UNFCCC by the Prime Minister Narendra Modi to achieve net zero emissions by 2070 and reduce emissions by 1 billion tons by 2030. The Union Minister of Environment, Forest and Climate Change (MoEFCC) saw a higher estimated expenditure of Rs 3,030 crore compared to Rs 2,520 crore in the year 2021-22. The Centre's Electric Vehicle Policy scheme for faster adoption and manufacturing of hybrid and electric vehicle in India saw a big boost from 800 crore last year to 2,908.28 crore.
The estimated expenditure for the Union Ministry of New and Renewable Energy, responsible for overseeing India's ambitious renewable energy targets, has decreased marginally from Rs 7,681 crore to Rs 6,900 crore. The highest allocation is for grid-based solar power of around Rs 3,300 crore. On the flip side, public enterprises overseeing the mining of coal, such as Coal India Limited, together saw a boost in resources from Rs 18,746 crore to Rs 21,420 crore. The budget estimate for the Mahatma Gandhi National Rural Employment Guarantee Program, a scheme with great potential for the climate resilience and carbon sequestration, has been revised downward from Rs 98,000 crore last year to 73,000 crore.
Some other climate-relevant announcements made during the budget presentation include an additional allocation of production-linked incentives for manufacturing of high-efficiency solar modules, chemical-free natural farming to be promoted across the country, the use of Kisan drones to be promoted for crop assessment, digitization of land records, spraying of insecticide and nutrients, a focus on agroforestry and private forestry, support to farmers belonging to scheduled caste and scheduled tribes who want to be taken up agroforestry. Sovereign green bonds to be issued in public sectors, the project to reduce carbon intensity of the economy. blended with finance to be promoted for climate action, agriculture and other clean technology. This will be managed by private and fund managers. A proposal to co-fire 5 to 7% biomass pellets in thermal power plant, resulting in estimated carbon dioxide reduction of 38 million tons annually. This will ideally provide an income to farmers and reduce stubble burning. Additionally, a new bill introduced, the Energy Conservation Amendment 2022, which aims to provide a regulatory framework for carbon trading in India, encouraging penetration of renewable energy, effective implementation and enforcement of the Energy Conservation Act 2021.
I hope you have learned a lot about Union Budget through our video presentation. Every year we come up with Union Budget for the sector of finance, economy and the growth of our nation. So this year, let's not just keep it as a budget, let's help in successful implementation of the Union Budget and especially be a responsible citizen when it comes to